Good morning, students. We are on the chapter long and short. Today we will discuss units of length. As we earlier talked about centimeter, today we will talk about centimeters, meter and kilometer. How they are related to each other. So, centimeters, meter and kilometer. All these three terms are the units of length. You have heard about that 15 centimeter, 15 meter, 15 kilometer. So it is all the unit of length. But among these three units, centimeter, meters and kilometer, the standard unit of length is meter. Which one is the standard unit? Tell me. If we talk about standard unit of length, then it is meter. Not centimeter, not kilometer. Standard unit of length is meter. Yes. Now we will see in short term how can we write centimeter, meter and kilometer. As earlier I write centimeter as cm. So all of you know that centimeter can be written in short form as cm. Meter can be written in short form as m. And kilometer, yes, in km. So these are the short form of these units of length. Now we will discuss about the relationship between meter and centimeter. So a meter length can be divided into 100 equal parts. Okay, 1 meter length can be divided into 100 equal parts and each part is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So we can divide a meter into 100 equal parts, and these 100 equal parts in which each part equal to 1 centimeter. So you can imagine that 100 part of centimeters constitute all together to make a 1 meter. Okay. So 1 meter is a collection of 100 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, a kilometer length can also be divided into 1000 equal part, 1000 equal part, and each part equal to 1 meter. 1 kilometer, we can divide 1 kilometer in how many parts? Yes, 1000 equal parts, and each part equal to 1 meter. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Understand? If I ask 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Yes, 100 centimeter. Now we will discuss some conversion. This all related on previous work, relationship between meter and centimeter, kilometer and meter. So tell me, 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? As I earlier told you, 1 meter equal, 1 meter can be divided into how many parts? Yes, 100 equal parts, and each part equal to 1 centimeter. So we have to convert in first part all this meter into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Now 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 5 meter equal to how many centimeter? So each 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to multiply meter into 100. So 5 meter equal to 5 into 100. Each 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter na. 5 meter equal to 5 into 100, 500 centimeter. A meter can be divided into 100 equal parts. So 13 meter can be divided to 13 into 100 equal parts. 13 into 100. It is very easy. 1300 centimeter. Very good. 1300 centimeter. Now 89 meter equal to how many centimeter? Each 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 89 meter equal to 89 into 100. So it will become 8900 centimeter. When we multiply by 100, only 20 will come at last. Okay. Now, as I earlier told, 1 kilometer can be divided into how many equal parts? We have to convert all this kilometer into meter. So 1 kilometer can be divided into 1000 equal parts, and each part equal to meter. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. As 15 kilometer equal to 15 into 1000 part, which is 15,000 meter. 1 kilometer can be divided into 1000 equal part. 29 kilometer can be divided into 29 into 1000 equal parts, which equal to 29,000 meter. As 1 kilometer can be divided into 1000 equal part. Now next question, 72 kilometer. 72 kilometer can be divided into 72 into 1000 equal part. 72,000 meter, because each part equal to 1 meter. So this is 72,000 meter. Now we will see the reverse action also. If 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, so if we will reverse it, 100 centimeter equal to how many meter? Tell me first. Yes, it is equal to 1 meter. Same. As 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, and if I ask 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Same. Now 900 centimeter equal to how many meter? So 900, it should be divided by 100, and you can see that 900 equal to 9 into 100. So 100 will be cut, 9 will come. 9 meter. Now 3700 centimeter equal to how many meter? 3700 centimeter can be write as 37 into 100, and it should be divided by 100, because 1 meter equal to 100 part, na? 100 centimeter. So it should be divided by 100. So only 37 will remain. Why? Because 3700 can be write as 37 into 100. So 100 should be cut by 100. So it will come 37 meter. In the same way, we have to convert this meter into kilometer. All of you know that 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So if I ask in reverse, 1000 meter equal to how many kilometer? What will be your answer? Yes, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, because 1000 1000 meter constitute to make 1 kilometer. Now 8000 meter equal to how many kilometer? So it should be divided by 1000. We can write 8000 equal to 8 into 1000. We can write 8000 8 into 1000. It should be divided by 1000. So we can cut 1000 by 1000. 8 will remain. So it is 8 kilometer. Now we have to convert 12,000 meter equal to into kilometer. So 12,000 can be write as 12 into 1000. Okay, and when we convert into kilometer, it should be divided by 1000. 12 into 1000 divided by 1000. So we can cut this 1000 by this 1000. So answer will come 12 kilometer. Is it understandable? So whenever we have to convert meter into centimeter, we just need to multiply by 100, and whenever we have to convert kilometer into meter, we just need to multiply by 1000, as you can see in these questions. And whenever we need to convert centimeter into meter, what do we need to do? Yes, tell me. Yes, we need to divide it by 100. And whenever we need to convert meter into kilometer, what we need to do? We need to divide it by, yes, 1000. Is it understandable? Yes, good. Now we will do this last question. Height of Arjun is 200 centimeter. Arjun, what is Arjun height? 200 centimeter. Which is twice the height of Amit. Arjun height is 200 centimeter. It is twice of the height of Amit. Now question is, what will be the Amit's height? Okay, very simple question. I know all of you can do that. Now let's do the solution. Height of Arjun, tell me. Yes, it is 200 centimeter. Height of Arjun 200 centimeter, which is twice to the height of Amit. Which is twice of the height of Amit. Now height of Amit. If Arjun height is twice to height of Amit, then what is Amit height? It should be half of Arjun heights. So height of Amit tell me first. Height of Amit, it should be half of Arjun's height. Half of Arjun's height. And what we need to find? Amit's height. Height of Amit, half of Arjun's height. And what is Arjun height? 200 centimeter. So we need to find half of 200. Half of 200. So you can divide by division method. All of you know how to divide. 2 ones are 2. For 2 0, we will write here 2 0 and also here 2 0. So it will come 100. All of you know this is the very simple division. So what is the Amit's height? 100 centimeter. Hope you understand this video. This is for all today class. I will give you an assignment. You have to do it. Thank you.